In this video, I want to show you how to pair printer with Microsoft Surface 5. And to do this, first of all, you will need to follow the instructions of your own printer, how to enter the pairing mode and all different options you can connect it with your PC. Then when it comes to your Microsoft Surface 5, you can click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then go for Bluetooth and devices, select your printers and scanners, and then to add your printer, the easiest way most of the time is to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network and then connect your Microsoft Surface 5 to that same network and click on Add Device. Now it will search for any printers available, and here it just found my printer. We can click on Add Device to pair it with our laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.